North Hill Mazda, and today I'm going to show you our 2016 Chevrolet Cruze. Come take a look.
This eye-catching 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Premier in kinetic blue metallic utilizes a turbocharged 1.4-liter four-cylinder engine with 153 horsepower, with only 64,000 kilometers on it. This includes an automatic engine stop-start feature to save fuel when the car isn't moving. It is equipped with keyless entry, sunroof for extra light and breeze. This premium-looking interior have heated steering wheel and heated seats to keep you warm, leather seats and premium Bose sound system, backup camera, and navigation system for your future travels. And of course, a spacious passenger seat and heated seats for them to enjoy. Come and book a test drive with us here at North Hill Mazda.